promotional scale. Now, the gist of entire arguments, Your Lordship, the petitioners are relying upon two major issues. One is the case of Sona Sahu. Their case is that uh, since the division bench has decided the case, they are similarly situated and therefore they are covered by the case of Sona Sahu. And further, that the case of Sona Sahu has been affirmed by the Honorable Supreme Court. Therefore, according to them, it's only the division bench which can hear the case, and they are all entitled to the grant of Kramonnati. And second thing which they have relied upon or they are relying upon is the circular dated 10/3/2017, which was the basis on which the case of Sona Sahu was decided. And according to the circular dated 10/3/2017, the petitioners say they are entitled for grant of Kramonnati on completion of 10 years of service or 20 years of service, according to your Lordship. So this is the main contention of the petitioners, Your Lordship. There are certain more issues which I'll reply. Now, Your Lordship, replying to the petitioner's argument, Your Lordship, I'll submit my argument sequence in a sequence. I'll deal each issue separately. And to start with is importance is circular or the scheme of Kramonnati. Now, one thing before I go into the circulars, Your Lordship, in most of the petitions, Your Lordship, maximum number of petitions, the petitioners have not given any details of their service. They have simply stated that they have been appointed on such and such date, and since they have completed such number of services, they are entitled for Kramonnati. Beside that, they have not given any details whether they have been promoted or they have achieved some promotion, or even sometimes they have started with some supposedly Shikshakarmi grade 3, then they have appeared for Shikshakarmi grade 2, whether they have started from calculated their service tenure from Shikshakarmi grade 2 or not. So all those details are missing. Simply it's a petition that based on Sona Sahu, they are entitled to Kramonnati. Now to start with, Your Lordship, I'd start with the circular on which the petitioners were relying upon, that is 10/3/2017. Now, Your Lordship, for reading of any documents, Your Lordship, the important thing is it is to be read as a whole, not part by part, or just one part of the circular, whether it's applicable or not. Just the relevant part is read. That is not the way of reading a circular or a document. It has to be read as a whole to get the exact meaning. Now, sum and substance, the argument of the state is, Your Lordship, that the Kramonnati Yojana floated by the erstwhile state of Madhya Pradesh would be applicable to these petitioners only after their absorption in 2018. This is one core argument of the state. And secondly, Your Lordship, as far as Sona Sahu case is concerned, it's a judgment in personam. It does not have a binding precedent. Oh. There is no principle of law which has been given in that judgment. I'll read that judgment when I come to that, Your Lordship. So there is no binding precedent in that judgment. Now to start with the circular dated 10/3/2017, Your Lordship, while filing our reply, the state of Chhattisgarh, Your Lordship, we have explained that we have annexed almost all the circulars which are related to Yojana of 1999. In fact, the Yojana of 1999 has also been annexed. Since they are relying upon the last circular, that is 10/3/2017.
What is the Yojana of 1999?
That is your lordship annexure. I'll come to my return, your lordship. रिटर्न मेरा देख लेना बाबू साहब. 89 पेजेस हैं हमारे में, किसी में तो वो R11 है, पेज 80. Now, any service benefit to an employee would arise from some rule, your lordship, or some policy decision of the state government. If there is no rule, there is no policy, no one can claim that such benefit should be granted to the petitioner. I'll come to, may I start with the 1919 Yojana,
Yes.
your lordship, or?
Yes, yes.
Then page 80, your lordship.
Yes.
Now, the erstwhile state of Madhya Pradesh, your lordship, way back in 1909, for the first time floated this scheme of Kramonnati. And this is very important, your lordship. To derive their right for Kramonnati, your lordship, they have to fall within the ambit of this circular. May I read it, your lordship? I'd start from the date, your lordship. सबसे ऊपर में है मध्य प्रदेश शासन सामान्य प्रशासन विभाग. And the date is important, 17th of March 1999 and 19/4/1999. I'll be referring to these dates, your lordship, in all other circulars also. This is क्योंकि ये यहाँ से start हुआ है, and all the circulars have been issued in continuation of this scheme. And विषय शासकीय सेवकों के लिए क्रमोन्नति योजना. And this is very clear, your lordship, it is only meant for शासकीय सेवक. Now, further, your lordship, if when I go, I'll explain how one can be differentiated, whether he falls within the ambit of being a government servant or not. So, शासकीय सेवकों के लिए क्रमोन्नति योजना. राज्य शासन ने यह नीतिगत निर्णय लिया है कि राज्य शासन के प्रत्येक नियमित एवं शासकीय कर्मचारी ऑब्लिक अधिकारी के लिए पूरे सेवा काल में प्रदेश के समय लागू वेतनमान के अतिरिक्त कम से कम 2 उच्चतर वेतनमानों का लाभ दिया जाए. In this paragraph, your lordship, the importance is of प्रत्येक नियमित एवं शासकीय कर्मचारी अधिकारी. Those who are regular government servant. राज्य शासन की सेवा में नियुक्त ऐसे समस्त कर्मचारी जो संबंधित सेवा भर्ती नियमों के अंतर्गत नियमित रूप से नियुक्त किए गए, मीन्स रूल्स फ्रेम्ड अंडर आर्टिकल 309. उसके पश्चात एक ही वेतनमान में 12 वर्ष अथवा उससे अधिक की अवधि में निरंतर कार्यरत हो तो उन्हें नियमित शर्तों के अधीन संलग्न सूची में दर्शाए गए अनुसार उच्च वेतनमान में क्रमोन्नति किया जा सकता है. क यदि उक्त शासकीय कर्मी की नियुक्ति नियमित सेवा में नियुक्ति पश्चात की सेवा अवधि 12 वर्ष से कम है तथा उसे सेवा में भर्ती के समय लागू प्रारंभिक वेतनमान अथवा उसके तत्स्थायी वेतनमान के अतिरिक्त कोई अन्य वेतनमान पदोन्नति, क्रमोन्नति, चयन, अपग्रेड करके अथवा अन्य किसी माध्यम से प्राप्त नहीं हुआ है. Now this is one condition, your lordship. मैंने क्यों कहा था कि इन लोगों ने सर्विस हिस्ट्री नहीं बताया है किसी भी पिटीशन में. क्योंकि सर्विस हिस्ट्री से ही पता चलता है कि उनको कहीं पर पदोन्नति है, क्रमोन्नति है, चयन, अपग्रेड, किसी भी प्रकार का अगर लाभ दिया जाया है तो वो क्रमोन्नति से बाहर हो जाते हैं, इस योजना से बाहर हो जाते हैं। फॉर दैट सर्विस हिस्ट्री ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी इंडिविजुअल पिटिशनर इज नेसेसरी। यहाँ तो जॉइंट पिटिशन है, 40 लोगों को एक साथ पिटिशन में डाल दिया गया, एंड देयर इज कॉमन प्लीडिंग्स फॉर ऑल, नो सेपरेट प्लीडिंग्स फॉर ईच एंड एवरी वन। The question would also be, Your Lordship, whether those petitions are maintainable in such a situation. I'll not go into that much of technicalities, but those petitions are also not maintainable क्योंकि वो तो fact बताते ही नहीं कि they are entitled in that way. Then Your Lordship, I'll read G. हाँ मैं छोड़ूंगा. I'll read खा also. यदि उक्त शासकीय कर्मी की नियमित सेवा में नियुक्ति के पश्चात की सेवा अवधि 24 से अधिक है तथा उसे सेवा में प्रवेश के समय लागू वेतनमान के अतिरिक्त एक से अधिक उच्चतर वेतनमान पदोन्नति, क्रमोन्नति, चयन, अपग्रेड करके अथवा अन्य किसी माध्यम से प्राप्त नहीं हुआ है। देन ग, इस योजना के अंतर्गत क्रमोन्नति का लाभ प्रदान करने के लिए उक्त कर्मचारी ऑब्लिक अधिकारी की विगत 5 वर्ष की गोपनीय प्रतिवेदन, इट्स जस्ट नॉट बाय आस्किंग, का परीक्षण उसी प्रकार किया जाएगा जिस प्रकार पदोन्नति के प्रकरणों में किया जाता है तथा उपयुक्त पाए जाने पर ही क्रमोन्नति का लाभ दिया जाएगा। इट्स जस्ट नॉट मियर आस्किंग कि मेरा 10 साल पूरा हो गया मेरे को दे दिया जाए। देयर हैज टू बी अ डीपीसी, ACRs देखेंगे 5 साल के, इफ ही इज फाउंड फिट फॉर प्रमोशन देन ही इज एंटाइटल्ड टू क्रमोन्नति। नाउ दिस इज, योर लॉर्डशिप, देयर आर अदर कंडीशंस आल्सो, आई विल नॉट गो इनटू other conditions. These are the major conditions. My arguments would be based on all these issues. Then your lordship, I'll go to page 83. That is R12 of my reply. Your lordship, किसी कारण से this क्रमोन्नति योजना was not extended to the teachers, your lordship, of the school education department. Now by circular dated 24/4/2006, the teachers will also granted, your lordship. In the second part of the page number 83, your lordship, 27, एक ऊपर 26 है, फिर 27 नंबर का नोटिफिकेशन है। शिक्षक संवर्ग के द्वितीय क्रमोन्नति के संबंध में राज्य शासन ने विचारोपरांत यह निर्णय लिया है कि शिक्षक संवर्ग को भी क्रमोन्नति का लाभ दिनांक 9/4/99 से दिया जाए। अतः शिक्षक संवर्ग को क्रमोन्नति का लाभ 12 वर्ष 24 वर्ष से नियमित सेवा के पश्चात 19/4/99 से दे होगा। सो जिनको वो छूट गए रहे होंगे 2006 में डिसाइड किया कि नाउ 1999 से शिक्षक संवर्ग को भी दिया जाएगा। मतलब स्कूल एजुकेशन में जितने भी टीचर्स थे, वॉट एवर पोस्ट दे वर होल्डिंग, दे विल बी गिवन सिंस दे वर रेगुलर गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉइज, योर लॉर्डशिप। अतः क्रमोन्नति के लिए समान प्रशासन विभाग का परिपत्र सच एंड सच दिनांक 17/3/99, द डेट, योर लॉर्डशिप, this is in continuation of that yojana, this is not a separate circular. 19/4/99 एवं समकक्ष परिपत्र दिनांक 24/7/2006 में निहित अन्य शर्तें यथावत लागू होंगी। So the main scheme would remain the 1999 scheme. This was extended to the teachers. यहाँ अमेंडमेंट सिर्फ ये है कि 1999 से दिया जाएगा, पहले 2006 से दिए थे, देन इट वाज डिसाइडेड नहीं, फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ देयर इनिशियल अपॉइंटमेंट, जब वो रेगुलराइज हो गए, दे विल गेट इट फ्रॉम 1999, एंड दिस इज अ सर्कुलर डेटेड 3/10/2008.
एक मिनट, मिस्टर झा, you tell me one thing. The judgment which you have referred, wherein the Bombay High Court has single bench has considered the facts.
My lord, sir.
Then he has given an opinion that not applicable.
My lord.
So whether I can examine the facts of the case or not, you will reply to this
My
question.
lord, sir.
Because you have said
Ji.
that this judicial discipline and recently, yesterday itself, the Honorable Supreme Court has passed the order,
My lord.
wherein the Bombay High Court has taken into consideration the factual metrics,
My lord.
and despite the having common facts,
My lord.
he has
Huh.
passed the order. Then the
Huh.
Honorable Supreme Court has
My lord.
issued
sir,
that
sir,
he has
sir.
passed that judgment
Sir.
about the
Ji, sir.
judicial discipline.
Ji, sir.
Now, tell me, in such situation,
Sir.
whether I can ascertain the fact
Huh.
or not,
Huh. Ji, sir.
and whether the facts are made available for this court to appreciate or not.
Sir.
This
Ji, sir.
has to be replied by you please,
जी सर.
in rebuttal to this.
जी सर.
मनीष नोट कर लो.
इसको नोट कर लेना यार. नोट कर लेना. जी सर.
Yes.
जी. सर.
बताइएगा.
सर.
Now, I refer to the last line, Your Lordship, छत्तीसगढ़ समान प्रशासन विभाग क्रमांक सचन दिनांक 3/10/2008.
Yes.
It's the date when this circular was issued, Your Lordship. जब 3/10/2008 को शिक्षा कर्मी को ये सर्कुलर निकाला गया, तब शिक्षा कर्मी हैड कम इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस. उनका अपॉइंटमेंट शुरू हो चुका था. वे बैक इन 1997 से
Yeah.
शुरू हो गया था. It does not mention that the shiksha karmis are also included. कहीं पर ये अमेंडमेंट नहीं लाया गया है कि persons working in the पंचायत डिपार्टमेंट, टीचिंग डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ द पंचायत, शिक्षा कर्मीज आर ऑल्सो इंक्लूडेड. ऐसा कोई रेफरेंस यहाँ पर नहीं है, दो इट्स अ सर्कुलर ऑफ 2008. देन कम्स योर लॉर्डशिप पेज 84 R3.
What is it?
ये पूरा जो 10/3/2017 का सर्कुलर है विच दे आर हार्पिंग अपॉन कि बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सर्कुलर वी आर एंटाइटल्ड. मैं इसको पढ़ देता हूँ.
Dated 6/4/2019.
10/3/2017.
हाँ.
10/3/2017. This has been referred in the judgment of Sona Sahu, Your Lordship. They have relied upon. यही सर्कुलर था जो ऑनरेबल डिवीजन बेंच के पास था.
सिंगल बेंच के पास भी तो था ये सर्कुलर. उन्होंने जो ऑर्डिनेंस बेंच ने भी तो ऑर्डर पास किया ना.
हाँ, ये सर्कुलर था. 1999 का स्कीम नहीं था.
तो कौन नहीं बताया? वो मोशन में ऑर्डर हुआ है कि आफ्टर फाइलिंग रिप्लाई?
That was filing of a reply, Your Lordship.
Then why you are not raised all these ground
Your Lordship.
in the before the single bench when
Yeah.
the order was passed by the coordinate bench?
Probably, Your Lordship, the state could not take that issue.
Then whether it was mentioned in the written and the court has not considered, then
Your Lordship, the state had submitted that this is not applicable to the Shiksha Karmi.
yes. You will reply to the question why the judgment of coordinate bench is not applicable to the present facts of